Okay, so with the system of inequalities, do you guys remember when we did inequalities involved like solid and dotted lines and shading up or down? Remember that? Okay, so we're going to just apply that idea, but now we're going to have a system. So we learned yesterday a system is with two or one or more equations. Typically, we're going to be working with two. So when we look at a solution to a system of inequalities, it's going to be a shaded region. That is the fundamental difference between a system of equations and a system of inequalities. Inequalities will have a shaded region. They won't have an ordered pair. Okay? If you multiply or divide by a negative number, what do you have to do to the inequality sign? You have to flip it. Right? There's symbols that are just less than and greater than. What type of line do we draw with those?
Dotted.
Dotted.
Yo.
Okay, remember, if it has the line under it, like less than equal to, greater than equal to, that's a solid line. Okay, so just less than, greater than, dotted. If it has the equal to the bar underneath, then it'll be a solid line. All right, so it says graph the following system on Desmos, which I will do. You don't need to get that out quite yet. Then decide if the given points are in the solution set. So let me pull up Desmos for us. All right, I'm going to make this a little smaller. Do a side by side here. Okay, so when you do these problems, there's a couple different ways that you can do this. You can just visually look and see, okay, is the 0.92 in the shaded region? Okay, or you can actually go into Desmos and type in 9, 2 as a coordinate point. Okay, and look over here and see if it's in the overlapping shaded region. So, you have to make sure that you see where both shaded regions are at. Okay, if you look here, here to here is the overlapping shaded region. Are you with me? You see that? So if we were to draw this on our own, we would shade on that area. Tracking? Okay. Now, one more question. Okay. What if the point was on this line right here? No, because it's dotted, right? If it was down here on this blue line, say it was here, okay, say it was there, that would be a yes. Okay, but if it's on the dotted with there, then no. So 9, 2 is definitely in the solution set, so you can say yes for that one. 0, 0. What do you think? All right, guys, we're done with the paper ball. 0, 0. It's only in the red. So is it in the overlapping? No, it's not. It has to be in both to be a solution. Okay, so right here, 0, 0 is not. And then 1, 5. What do you think?
Yes.
That's tricky. Okay, now, both lines have to be solid for that to be true. Since one of them is dotted, that would be a no. That would be a no. All right. Next one, I'm going to put it in. All right, 0, -5. Sorry, I'm having a hard time seeing here. Oh, Lord. 0, -5. That's a yes, right? It's in that overlapping shaded region, kind of the purple color there. So that one would be yes. 5. Oh, what percent? 5. No, right? That's only in that pink one up there, if you can see that, or red. -12. We have to move that over a little bit. We have to zoom out to see that one. Where's that one located? That one's in blue, so that one's also a no. We doing okay so far? Yeah? No? You're not doing okay? You are doing okay. Alright, well, I'll keep moving. I'm not getting clear. Great. So, write the equations. We did this halfway through our notes yesterday. Same idea. You need to get the y-intercept and the slope. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the... Actually, Chris, it's not colored. Let's label them A and B. We'll let A be that dotted line and B be this solid line. This will help us kind of keep track. All right, the y-intercept for A, what is it? 5. Okay, and what about for B? -1. Okay, the slope for line A, is it positive or negative? Negative, and rise 1 over a run of 2, -1/2, and then our slope for B, +1. Okay, now we have to decide which symbol do we use, because we're no longer working with an equal sign. So for line A, where is it shaded? Above or below? Below, which would be what? Less than. Is it going to have the equal to bar? No, because it's a dotted line. Okay, so our blue line, or B, that one is shaded. Where is it shaded? Down here, right? Below. So that would be less than. And then since it's solid, it's equal to. Okay, now you don't have to do this chart each time. I just think it makes it really easy to organize your thoughts. So for this first equation, we'll do A for this one. Okay, it would be y is less than -1/2 x plus 5. Equation 2, y is less than or equal to 1x minus 1, or you can just write it as x minus 1. You don't have to write the 1x if you don't want to. Or the 1 in front of the x, I should say. Are we okay on that? Okay, now I highly advise you to go into Desmos, put them in, make sure it matches your picture. Okay. All right, number 4. Write a system of inequalities. Then circle the points that are in the solution to the system. All right, so I'm going to make that dotted line. It's kind of hard to see that it's dotted. Does it show up dotted on yellow paper? Yeah, it does. Okay, we'll label that A. Our solid line will be B. Okay, what's the y-intercept of A? -4. Let's go ahead and do the slope there. Slope is down 2 over 1. Yep. -2. And where is it shaded? Is it shaded above or below that line? Above. So it will be a greater than symbol. Will it be equal to?
No.
No, it's a dotted line. All right, line B has a y-intercept of 1. Slope of 2/3. Thank you. Positive 2/3. It's going up from left to right. Where's that one shaded? Below. Is it equal to? Yes, it's solid. So our first equation, which is A, would be y is greater than -2x minus 4. Equation number 2, y is less than or equal to 2/3 x plus 1. Okay, then I would just plot the points that you're given and then see which ones fall inside. So if we plot 0, 0, that's inside both shaded regions. Shaded regions. 3, 3, what do you think?
Yes.
Yes, it's on a solid, so we're good. -3, -2, that one's a no. And then 1, -4. That's a yes. Okay, we have one more question and then just a little bit of practice. Which graph represents a solution of y is less than or equal to x plus 3 and y is greater than or equal to 3? Now, how do you think that I would do this? Quickest way I could. Desmos. Right? Put it in Desmos to see which picture matches. That's the easiest way to do it. This is something that you could see on like an OST. Put it in Desmos, see which one is exactly the same. You can absolutely try to figure out which equations you have. That's totally fine. But if you're worried about time, where's your notes? Sorry, this is not a cafe where we're doing whatever we want. Okay. So put it in Desmos and see which fits here. All right, so which one do you think matches? So the big shaded region is right here. So it's going to be on the right-hand side. It's looking like B. Yeah, that's the only one that's on the right-hand side, I believe. That's both of them. Yep, so it would be B. Looks pretty good. So that's probably the easiest way to do that. Could you match up the equations and set your slope and your y-intercept? Yes, but that's a lot faster. Okay. Few questions on the bottom, and that will be all for today.